Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop for another simple project. It's practical and you can use it every day.
That's right. I don't know about you, but I probably spend more time on my phone than I really should. And I hold it all the time, just like this right here. Sometimes you really just want to sit it down and be able to look at it. I'll give you an example. There is a really great couple on YouTube that does workout videos, and if he's watching TV in the evening, I might want to, do a workout. So in order to accomplish that, I could pull it up on the phone if only I had a place to sit it.
So that's what we're going to be making today. A cell phone / tablet stand, and we're going to be using roasted poplar.
The first thing we have to do is mill this down. It's kind of thick right now, so we'll get this planed up.
So now that we have this ripped down to a 1/2 inch thick, I'm going to go ahead and rip off one edge and just clean it up. And also we got to cut 2 pieces of this. One's going to be 5.5 inches long, the other 8.5. Alright, now that the length sections are cut off of this board, I'm going to start notching out a section right about in here. It's going to be 1 inch wide, starting 2 inches over from the edge. And I've got the blade height set at 1.5 inches. So we're going to have a joint here that's going to be 1 inch wide and 1.5 inches tall. Now the reason I didn't go ahead and cut these to their final width before is because I needed some leverage to hold this as I cut this notch in that end grain. That gave me something to hold on to here. But now I'm going to go ahead and rip these down to their final width, which is 5 inches. Alright, the next step is to cut 2 notches in this piece. They will be 1 inch up from the end grain. They will go 2 inches toward the center. That will leave 1 inch wide in the middle. And these gaps will be exactly the thickness of this board, which is a 1/2 inch. And by the time we're done, these will fit together.
All right, now that our pieces are cut out, they're pretty smooth already. The planer did a lot of work for us. I'm just going to go in with this Duragold pad. It's about 300 grit, so I'm just going to lightly scrub these down, and then we'll move on.
Alright, now it's time to put these 2 pieces together. We'll just add a little tiny bit of glue right there in that joint, and that should hold it pretty good.
Once we have it assembled, we'll move on to finish. We're going to do this very simply. We've made projects with thermal poplar before. It's very, very dark. So all we're going to do is just put some natural Danish oil on to finish.
Now we have a phone and tablet stand. It's pretty basic, it's all square. You could dog ear off the corners, do some profiling on it if you wanted to. And it's a little bit bigger than most people build like a phone stand because it's for a phone and a tablet both. You got them both in one.
So let's check it out. You can see how it looks. This is kind of a smaller phone. So we'll set that there. Like you said, it seems a bit oversized for a phone, but check out this tablet. Versatile. So no matter what kind of device you have, this will fit the bill.
If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date on all of our content, and check us out over on Facebook as well.
Thanks again for joining us today. Happy woodworking!